Shalom. We are now here in Ulpenat Tzviya Beit Yafa in Herzliya. Reshet Tzviya is a net school that is from the north in Ma'alot till the south in Eilat. Girls that come here because the special education that they could get here. Special education in the secular studies, special education in the religious studies, special education in the activities.
שלום, אנחנו רוני ושיר, אנחנו במגמת פיזיקה.
אנחנו מאוד נהנות שם.
מאוד כיף במגמה, לומדים, זה חומר מאוד מעניין.
אני גיטית קורן, אני במגמת פסיכולוגיה, ובחרתי בזה כי לומדים על הנפש של האדם ולא על הגוף, שזה בביולוגיה, וזה ממש מעניין.
We are now going on a campaign to develop our Ulpana. Baruch Hashem, we got now the ability to build another 6 classes that are missing. We are here in the yard, the place that we are intending to build the 6 new classes that we'll build in this area. And in this area, we'll build our auditorium that hopefully, with your support, will reach that challenge. To have in our building the ability, all the girls together to one place, like an auditorium, like an open place that we could give them the ability to sit together, to sing together, to go through value activities. We need to build our library with the ability to be in a modern library, to be with computers, with more books, with the ability to have special places for girls to sit down and work. We need something that could seem to be what you needed for girls, but it's for us very important. The girls don't have place to do the activity, sport activities, do a little bit what we call chilutz atzamot, to do a little bit activity of sport, and we want to have a place that they could do those activities that they do in the Ulpana that could bring them also a lot of pleasure. Small places that could meet with each other, to meet with the teachers, to speak, to have the ability to feel more at home here, because one of the things that we work a lot is that girls come to the school not only to learn, but to feel that it's like their second home. They spend here a lot of time, and it's very important that we'll have all the facilities that could give them the feeling that it's like to be at home.
בית ספר צביעה זה בית ספר מעולה, אני מציעה לכל בת שמתלבטת לבוא לצביעה. אני עצמי מאוד נהנית פה.
כשאני אהיה אימא, נשלח את הילדים שלי ללמוד פה.
It's a wonderful Ulpana.
With your support, with your belief that you could help us to reach that challenges, that dream, we are sure that we could reach and give the girls what they actually need, what they deserve, what they is right to give them to be the leaders of the people in Israel in the next generations. With you, it could happen. Thank you very much.